What's up, guys? Sam here, and I will be doing the free video for Friday, March 1st, 2024. So this one may be my fastest video yet, because I just have one signal to bring you, and it's a pretty direct signal. And that is the signal that's directly in front of you right now, which is the NQ NASDAQ daily chart. And surprise to me, because I had been focused on the QQQ and the NDX, which don't have this signal, on the NASDAQ futures, you actually do have a daily squeeze and your max bull. So that's that's the strongest signal that the indicator set offers, is when you are max bull up here, 40 out of 40, and you have a squeeze, you look to buy it, and you look to push it into higher prices. I did the video for the folks in the premium room, and we did look at SPY and bonds and dollar and VIX and QQQ as well, and everything's pretty much about the same as it's been, right? When you have a melt up kind of market, not a lot changes under the surface, right? All the indicators are still completely good, and some of them may be too good, some would argue, but they're all still good. But the strongest signal that I see active in front of us right now is this NASDAQ daily squeeze. So going into next week, my plan for this, because we are at some pretty lofty levels, at least for my taste, in order to put on swing trades that would last 3, 4, 5 weeks. For myself, the plan is pretty simple. I'm going to be looking for hourly 30-minute, 15-minute squeezes on tech names to play them long from one day to the next. Now, if you're looking at this and you're looking at it more bullishly and you're saying, hey, that daily squeeze should go about 8 to 10 bars, so I could probably go all the way to maybe the end of the month with some swing trades, I wouldn't blame you for thinking that, because this is a very strong signal. But just kind of letting you know how I'm looking to play it. I'm looking to still play it a little bit shorter term, hourly 30-minute and 15-minute squeezes. Get in on day one, and ideally get out the next day after the short-term squeeze is fired. So we'll go ahead and wrap it there, because I don't see anything else really worth talking about. The NASDAQ NQ max bull plus squeeze is the signal, and unless something changes relatively soon, it should be a continuation move to the upside and get you into some higher prices. All right, guys, that's my time. See you next week. Cheers. Hey traders, this is Sam with Simpler Trading. I want to thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you found the information in it helpful. If you did, leave us a like, leave us a comment. It really does help us out with the algorithm. And if you want to see us trade live with our own real money and be part of the community, come and check us out at simplertrading.com.